Now here's something fairly unusual, a private label chronograph pocket watch. The chronograph function does work. We have a sub-seconds totalizer, a 30-minute totalizer there at the 12 o'clock position too, and it is fully functional. The private label in this case belongs to WME Lurch from New York, and the movement that the good Mr. Lurch decided to purchase was Zenith, a very upscale brand if you know anything about watches and watchmaking in the modern day. And as you can see, this one is driven by a column wheel for the chronograph assembly. Look at all those levers working in unison. Overall, a lovely piece.